What I have here is Dr. Bronner's Organic Magic Castile Liquid Soap, Baby Mild Pure Unscented, and it's the 32-ounce one. I was searching for a natural body wash, and this is the one that I tried first because I saw that it was completely natural. It's really gentle on the skin, so if you have sensitive skin, this is for you. It foams like regular soap. The bottle is so big with the 32-ounce one, but they also have 16-ounce and a smaller one, I think. So it lasts very long and a little goes a long way. It's eco-friendly. It's packed in 100% recycled plastic bottle. It's made with certified organic oils and it's completely biodegradable. It makes my skin so soft and smooth. It's cruelty-free and vegan, so the soap does not contain any animal products or byproducts, and no animal products were used in the manufacturing process. All of the ingredients are chemical-free, so no synthetic preservatives, no detergents or foaming agents, and it doesn't contain any genetically modified ingredients or organisms. And there's many choices of soap, like the one I chose, baby unscented, or there's peppermint, lavender, almond, citrus, tea tree, rose, and eucalyptus. The ingredients are water, organic coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, organic palm kernel oil, organic olive oil, organic hemp oil, organic jojoba oil, citric acid, and tocopherol. And there's multiple uses for the soap. For the face, you add like 2-3 drops on wet hands. For the bath, it depends on how much water there is, but you put roughly 2 tablespoons in an average size tub. It doesn't bubble, but it still cleans. You can use it for shaving. You put 10 drops on the face. For the underarms, 3 drops. For legs, 1.5 teaspoons. For teeth, 1 drop on a toothbrush. But they also sell, Dr. Bronner's has a toothpaste. Foot, for a foot bath, 1.5 teaspoons in a small tub of hot water. If you want to clear a congestion, you put 1 tablespoon in a bowl of steamy hot water and you breathe in the mist with a towel dropped over your head. For dishes, you pre-dilute 1:10 ratio with water. Laundry, 1/3 or 1.5 cup of soap for a large load in a normal washer, and you add 1.5 cup of vinegar to the rinse cycle. You can also use it for mopping. So you put 1.5 cup of soap in 3 gallons of hot water. For the windows, 1 tablespoon of soap in a quart of water in a spray bottle. You can use it for the toilet also. You just pre-dilute 1/4 with water in a squirt bottle. And in addition, you can use baking soda and tea tree oil. You can also use Castile soap as a fruit and veggie rinse. You put 1 dash or 1/4 teaspoon, that's the approximative, in a bowl of water, and you dunk the fruits or veggies, and then you rinse in clear water. You can also use it to clean your pets, and as a plant spray or for bugs, you just put 1 tablespoon in a quart of water. It's really a multi-usage. There's nothing that disturbs me about this soap. It's my official soap, and I want to try one with scent, but for now I could just add some of the essential oils that I have. I'm really interested in your experience with this product or other Dr. Bronner's products, so you can just leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching my video and stay tuned for the next one. Have a nice day and don't forget to subscribe and like.